In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a Bumpy Dating app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the first thing what we need to do is go ahead and download the Bumpy Dating app from your Play or App Store. Once you've gone ahead and download and installed the Bumpy Dating app, we want to go ahead and open it up for the first time. Now, once we've opened it up, it's going to say continue with Google or other options. So we can continue with an email or continue with your Google account. So I find the easiest way is to continue with your Google account. So I'm now going to choose my account here, Tutorial Wiz, and now this is essentially going to sign us up and sign us in at the same time. Now from here we need to put in your name, so this name will be seen by other users, so go ahead and put in your name. Then from here click onto next. Now we've got to put in your date of birth, so users will see only your age, and then click next, and then it will say are you sure you're that age, and then click accept. Now, what is your gender? Male. Who are you looking for? Men, women, or both? Click next. Then it'll say what is your goal. So you can change your goal at any time. So this is just to start you up. So if your goal is to get married off this app, click get married, find a relationship, etc. So go ahead and choose one. And now put in your interests. So pick up the 15 things you love. It'll help you match with people who love them too. So we got hobbies here, we got sport, music, pets, going out, travels, and other. So go ahead and choose 15. Now once you've done that, go ahead and click on save 15, but you can skip this step if you like. Now add your first photo, so you can replace the photo at any time. So go ahead and click and choose a nice clear image of yourself. Now you can add up to 6 images if you like, then click next. Now I might ask you for Bumpy to send you notifications, so you can allow or don't allow, but I suggest having allow, because if you get any matches, the app's going to notify you of future matches. Then from here they might try and set you up on a subscription, but you can use it for free. So click on the little X at the top here, and now we want to go ahead and swipe through profiles. So like right swipe if you're interested, or past is left swipe if not. If both people like each other, you'll get a match. And you might even get a hello from someone when you first join in. So just simply go like, so not interested. So now I'm going to use later. So we'll say not interested, skip by pressing pass to go to the next profile. So click pass, if don't like that, pass, pass. Now if I like it, I'm going to swipe left to right. So we'll say send a hello to Brittany. If she replies, you'll be able to start a chat. So if you want to chat to that person, go ahead and click on hello. And now what that's going to do, that's going to send that hello to that person. Now when they swipe, if they like you, they're going to do the same thing. And now once you've matched, you can start chatting in the app, so you can share interests, plan meetups, or get to know each other better. And also you can explore other features. So depending on the version of Bumpy, I'm just using the free one you're using, you might have some boost or spotlight, so this makes your profile more visible. You can see super likes, so show extra interest in someone, and premium options, so you can unlock those unlimited swipes, advanced filters, or to see who you liked. Now at the bottom of the page here, we've got a few different options. So we've got our profile here that we can go ahead and edit, and now this is where we can go ahead and upgrade to gold and use some of those extra features. We can see the likes and boost here as well. Also you can see on the top it says someone viewed my profile, so that's going to notify you there. Now if we click on the map, we can have a look, we can meet real people worldwide who are recently online. Now if we go into people, this is where we can swipe left to right. Now next to that is liked you, so we can see these people who have liked this profile. So at the moment I've got 3 likes and 2 viewed, which is interesting because I don't really have a profile image, and somehow 3 people have liked it, so that could be AI, but I could be wrong. Now if we go to chats, this is where all of our chats are inside Bumpy. So yeah, if you've liked each other, your chats are going to appear here. Now if we click on the gear icon, we can explore some of the in-app settings. So we can go incognito mode, we can hide the age, hide your country and city, and all that stuff. We can follow them on Instagram if we like. We've got the contacts and facts, and we've got the account. We can restore purchase if we like here. Now if we click on the pencil, this is going to be able to finish our, add some more photos in. If we keep scrolling down, we can we've got this option as photo option. So Photo Genius automatically finds and shows your best photos first, helping you make a great first impression. So I'll suggest turning that on, because that's going to show your best photos first, especially if you, this works really well, especially if you don't know which photo you want to use as your main image. So yeah, suggest turning that on. Now verification, you might need a pass photo verification, and also we've got prompts here, so we can answer prompts to give a glimpse of what it's like to date you. So from here, select the prompt and write your answer. We've got 3 different prompts here. Scroll down, you can see all your interests. And now about me, so write a lively, engaging intro about yourself. If you're not sure what to put in here, just go to ChatGPT or some AI and just ask them about helping you write a good intro in this app, and they'll do a good job with that. My goals, you can tell others what are you looking for here. And also we got my basics, so we got specify general information about yourself. So you got your name, age, gender, work, school, etc. You've also got my ethnicities here, which we can add, my nationalities, your location, languages, you can add more here. And if you want to even go deeper into this app, we can write more about me, so we can specify more information about yourself to find suitable people. So you can put in your height, weight, sexual orientation, star sign, exercise, and all that stuff, and your kids, drinking, smoking, and that. So yeah, that's just a quick rundown of how to use this bumping dating app.